Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to scan Spotify code. So go from your Spotify app. Now you have to click on this search bar. You can see here is the camera option here. So okay, then click on it. Then go for scan. Okay. Now you have to just scan it. Scan the Spotify code from here. So okay, this is how you can scan Spotify code. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos like this. Thank you.
Today's video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.